Hi, there you are, readers. Today I chose a book called A Seed is Sleepy. Now, I chose this book for a few different reasons. One, because of its amazing, beautiful illustrations. You know, in most information books, you see a lot of real life pictures. The pictures in this book are incredibly well done. They look so realistic to me. The second reason I chose this book is because you can maybe even tell in the title, A Seed is Sleepy. It has literary language in it. I have never read an information book that has literary language in it. I mostly see literary language in poems, in fairy tales, or even in just a regular fiction book, but rarely in information books. And the last reason why I chose this book is because it's springtime and I've been thinking about planting some more things, and I realized there's a lot more that I need to learn about seeds and about plants. So I want to read A Seed is Sleepy to you, and I want to do this skill that we've been practicing to become experts on nonfiction books. And remember, you don't just practice a skill one time, you keep practicing until it becomes a habit. So think about the main idea of what you learned, and you should be able to give examples with that main idea. And when I say main idea, sometimes I also say, what's this mostly about? It means the same thing. The cool thing about this book, even before we take our sneak peek, is that it almost has a heading or a topic sentence on the pages that tells us what this page or this part is mostly about, but it does it by using literary language. So for example, this says, a seed is sleepy. We have to kind of figure out what that really means. And that is our main idea of the page, or what it's mostly about, it looks like. Oh my gosh, these pictures. Okay, let's get started. I opened up the book so you can see both the front back cover too. A seed is sleepy. Look at all these seeds. Even on the covers, the author labeled, let me see if I can show you. The author labeled what kind of seeds they were. Texas mountain laurel pod, sunflower, Japanese maple seeds. Oh, those are cool. I've seen seeds like this before where they're falling off a tree and going down to the ground. Look at these seeds on the back. Look at this one. These are so cool. I'm really excited to figure out why all these seeds are so different. That's even a question I'm going to start with. Why are so many seeds different? This one has this huge hook on it. These have little hooks too. These are inside. Oh, this is an Indian almond. This is inside. Oh, this one is called a devil's claw. It's so cool. Okay, let's get started, and I'll keep thinking about our main idea as we read too. And I'm going to keep asking questions because I have a lot. Asking questions, even if you don't find the answer right away, it's good that you keep that in mind because you'll be looking for that answer, or you'll be looking for it in a different book, and that helps you grow your knowledge even more. Okay, let me get up close to some of these seeds. Look at the sea coconut, ear pod, Indian almond, corn. I don't even think of corn as seeds, but I guess they are. Same with beans. Texas mountain laurel, monkey comb, sunflower. Oh, I love sunflower seeds. I love to eat those kinds of seeds. Oh yeah, that makes me think too. There are some kind of seeds that you like to eat and some that you probably don't. Look at this weird milkweed seed. Devil's claw. Coast redwood. Oh, I wonder if those big redwood trees come from a seed like this. Red huckleberry, slash pine, hamburger bean, teak, hop seed. Okay, let's see on this next page. Oh, there's that cool one. Jasmine, no, Japanese maple. Pumpkin seed, I like to eat those too. Sea heart. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh, I've seen these dandelion seeds too. When you like blow on a dandelion, then I guess each part is a seed and it floats out. Look at this one. Black palm. I wonder why it looks like that. So cool. They're so different. Looks like there's no table of contents. It looks like, I also actually checked the back. There's no glossary page either. Look at this. Can you tell what kind of seed they're showcasing on this page? Yup, sunflower seed. Okay. Let me start here. This book is so big. I have to put my head right up next to it. A seed is sleepy. It lies there, tucked inside its flower, on its cone, or beneath the soil. Snug, still. That's beautiful. That was like a poem as our introduction. A seed is sleepy. It lies there, tucked inside its flower, on its cone, or beneath the soil. Snug, still. I love that introduction. Okay. I want to make sure you can see the page as I read. A seed is secretive. Texas mountain laurel pod. Texas mountain laurel seed. It does not reveal itself too quickly. Oh my gosh, think about what you just noticed by that information we got. It shows us the seed and the pod that it's in. It does not reveal itself too quickly. I'm going to keep reading this part because I think it goes with whatever our main idea is, and then we'll figure out what this page is mostly about, what the main idea is. Texas mountain laurel flower. Whoa, wait, so that seed turns into this flower? Is that what they're telling us? Cool. Most seeds sleep through a season or two, waiting for the warmer temperatures of spring. But some take their time. 10 years might pass before the bright red-orange seed of the Texas mountain laurel shows its purple blooms. Whoa, 10 years. I did not know that a seed could wait that long. 10 years. A seed is secretive. So if I was going to say, what's the main idea? What's this mostly about? That some seeds can take a long time before they start. I was going to say, I almost wanted to say before they start hatching, but nope, that doesn't make sense. That's what a little bird would do before they start growing, maybe. A seed sometimes takes a long time before it starts to grow. That's what this page is mostly about. Man, 10 years. Okay. Look at all the seeds on this page. Guyanese wild coffee, Indian almond, turpentine broom. They have really cool names. Blueberry, naranito, Texas barberry, papaya. I love eating papaya fruit. Strawberry. Oh, this one has devil's claw on it too. A seed is fruitful. Think about what this page might be about now that we have the literary language. A seed is fruitful. 90% of the plants on Earth are flowering plants. Flowering plants produce fruits. Fruits of all shapes and textures that keep the seed cozy until they have found the right place to grow. Did you know that? Every plant that has a flower grows some kind of fruit? It might not be like a fruit that everybody can eat, but it grows some kind of fruit. Flowering plants produce fruits. So I would say this page is mostly about how some seeds can produce flowers that produce fruit. So cool. Okay, look at this literary language title or heading. A seed is naked. A seed is naked. Yes, naked. Scientists call gymnosperms seeds that aren't clothed in fruits, naked seeds. Most naked seeds hide themselves on the scales of cones until they're ready to make a dash for the ground. I love how the author writes this book. Okay. Take a look at this page too, where there's pine cone. You know what's interesting? I read this backwards because I'm looking at the screen. Let me read this page. Who would guess that a seed as small as a freckle would grow into the world's tallest tree? Only 10% of redwood trees begin as seeds, though. Most redwood trees spring from existing trees. You've maybe even possibly seen a redwood in real life because we have them close by San Francisco. They even show the scale of how tall it is, and you can see the little person here. They start as a little cone. Now, I have this question, like, why are some seeds naked and some seeds aren't? They're covered with a fruit. And why that would be, that's a question I'm going to keep holding on to. This page is mostly about seeds that are, I don't want to say naked. What's another word that I could use? This page is mostly about seeds. It says most naked seeds hide themselves in cones. You can say this page, now that I'm looking at it, is mostly about seeds that are in cones. Oh, look at this one. This must be, because I feel like I've seen this in real life, this must be an earlier version of this one, or maybe the other way around. It almost looks like fruit. Do you know what fruit I'm thinking of? To me, this almost looks like a pineapple. I wonder if pineapples are related in any way to cones. Okay, we're going to stop here today. I'll give you a preview of our next page. Look at this. This looks like a human brain to me, but I know it's not. I'm going to read the title and then I'll stop here. Seeds come in many sizes. Oh, I can already tell this is going to be mostly about how seeds come in different sizes. That's not really literary language. We know what this page is about. We'll stop here though and continue reading this tomorrow. I hope you keep thinking about what the main idea is in the books that you are reading.